Now that you've got a Gladiator appliance, here's how to set it up. First, follow the installation instructions to reverse the door swing, if you'd like. Now, you'll need the following tools. Begin by laying down your refrigerator or freezer. Remove the two rear caster bracket screws and the front hex head bracket screws. Install both caster brackets using the screws you just removed. Then, install the casters. Start in the front with the two casters with brakes. To install the first caster, align it with the holes in the caster bracket with the brake facing out. Using your hands, tighten each of the caster bolts. Then, tighten the bolts with a wrench. Repeat with the other three casters. Lock the front casters and stand the unit up. To install the foot pedal, start by opening the door. On both sides, loosen the lower bracket screws and remove the upper screws. Using the foot pedal keyholes, hang the foot pedal on the lower screws. On the door hinge side, tighten the foot pedal to the cabinet with the screw you removed earlier. Adding two washers, repeat on the non-hinge side. Tighten or loosen the actuator screw to adjust the tension to your liking. Plug in the unit and roll it into its final position.